Hey everybody, it's JJ Hornez back here with another video. We just got our BattlBox in for the month, and my daughter, she is going to do the opening and talking about everything. So she's going to hand me the camera now, and we're going to get started with this.
Hello. We are going to cut these.
Yeah, that's a little Benchmade auto opener right there. I've had since like 2004. Got it when I was in Fallujah.
Let's see.
Oh, what you got there?
This Netflix original series, Southern Survival.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna be watching that. It says July 3rd.
It looks really cool.
I'm definitely gonna be watching that.
Yes.
So what else
And then
we
we have Mission 64, and we are doing basic.
Yep.
The basics.
It's rough about $40 after shipping.
Okay, so this one seems pretty cool to me. It's a Glowco.
So it's Glowco, what is that, a headlamp?
That's what it
So
seems
here, open it up
like.
real quick. Open it up, put it on your head, see how bright that thing is.
So we have this tingy in here.
So that is your instructions.
Yeah, but I guess it's just a...
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
USB rechargeable headlamp. It says it right
There
here.
you go. All right, so USB rechargeable headlamp. So if I'm out in the woods
Obviously,
and this
is
thing
the
dies, yeah.
Charger.
So yeah, there's your little,
Charger
it
thing.
uses a standard.
Yeah, totally. There's plugins in the woods.
Kind of, yeah, no, for real. So you see that's the type of charger it uses. So
Okay.
she's gonna get it out. So right off the bat, I'm already gonna say that I'm not really liking this because of the fact that if I'm out somewhere and the battery dies,
Dun, dun,
the only
dun,
way
dun.
to recharge it is USB, or no, you can't replace the batteries.
Oh.
So here we go. So she's gonna turn it on. Oh, geez, that thing's bright. Here, point over to the kitchen area.
Da, 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 da.
There you go. That's pretty bright. There you go, on the ceiling.
Okay, here's the next button.
Point it over.
Oh, you could do it
Point over
like
that way.
one.
There we go. See? Oh, different colors. Red, you got your red for your tactical stuff, strobe, and all that stuff. All right. So,
Oh,
so is
wait.
it just rechargeable? Let's see what we
I
got.
just noticed this. I guess you like push. It looks like you have to like push it out. And
Open
then
it. So, well, there's a switch at the bottom. Here, hold the camera, Tanya, and I'll open it. So hold that. So here's your recharging port. It's a nice little, it's pretty thick rubber. It's not too flimsy. And then down here, there's this open thing, and there is your rechargeable battery pack. Too bad there's not just a regular battery pack batteries that you can replace. Either or. So let's see. Say 3-watt, whatever, COB, low beam sensor, 3-watt LED, high beam. Anyway, so blue when activated. So anyway, so not bad. So she's gonna give me the camera back, the phone back, and she's gonna go into getting everything else out. So what we got next?
Micro stove.
Micro stove. Let's see what that looks. Here, let's see the front.
Here is the front.
So
I guess
go in
it's
here,
a-
micro stove, and you can kind of see the picture. All right.
It kind of looks like a micro stove, like a small stove, I guess.
Alright,
That's
yep.
what it seems like.
So let's see what it is. So there's your contents.
That smells funny.
All right. So she's gonna pour it out.
Eh.
There you go.
There's like no instructions in here.
Well, I'm pretty sure it's pretty simple.
Or it's in here.
We just try to figure it out. So yeah, we open this up and
You connect
Actually,
something
here.
to there. I guess.
so look, it spins around. So if you take this and spin these legs around like that, there you go, Tina.
Oh.
Pull them all the way around. There you go. So you got 4.
Oh, and then there's like these little things right here that
Yep.
pop out.
There you go.
Oh, I think you set the stuff on here
Yep.
to cook it.
So what is your fuel tank? So this looks like it's going to take the little, the Coleman, the green can or whatever size propane deals. So we'd have to go find one of those because we don't have
Oh,
one
don't
on
you
hand
have
right
one
now.
for the torch thing?
Yeah, but it's raining pretty good outside. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's raining in a little bit. And it's out there in my shed, as y'all can see behind
Wait,
the
don't
fence.
you have the
So-
stuff to...
We'll do that later. So here you go. And here's, all right, team, let's see what's in the box. Oh, there's something that everybody's going to like in here.
Okay.
Dun, dun, dun. So,
Dust, pollen, allergy, pollution.
so nasal filter.
Nasal filter. That is
So it's
kind
like
of
you put them in your nose, and there's the
Oh,
picture.
God.
Here's the picture of how to do it. You just kind of like stick them in your nose
Can
and
I
all
see
that
it?
stuff. Okay, so let's move on with this.
Wait, we're going to open it.
No, we're not going to open that one
Oh,
yet.
man.
So yeah, I guess it's supposed to
We're
block
gonna
the
just do
dust,
that.
pollen, allergy, and pollution.
Okay, so we're going to do the other one last.
Ooh, Splint 36-inch flat pack. So
Field
this, because I've
exactly
used
is
stuff like this before, is that it's bendable, it's pliable. So if someone needs to put a splint on, like say you've got a fracture or something like that, you can actually mold it to the leg. And then you just put your wrap
that's
around it,
cool.
and it'll help stabilize it. So what's left? Woo,
I think
one.
you all know what this is.
Yeah, we all know what these are. If you don't know what that is, maybe you should go see
Can
what's
I put it
going on
on?
in the world today. Yeah,
Put it on my face.
there you go. Stick it on.
Ew.
There you go. Put it behind your ears. All right, there you go. And you got to squeeze the sides of your nose like that so it shapes to your nose. There you go. Look at that. And that is made by, oh no, it's got that on one side. Here, turn the other way. There's no mark on the other side.
It just says KN95.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. KN95. Can't already see it, but there you go. So here you go, right
This is
here.
kind of an awkward.
So that's pretty much the breakdown of the list of everything.
Here I'll.
So
So
we'll
the-
have to try this out. I'm really excited to try this out.
We could do
so-
that for another video.
Yeah, there we go. We'll do a video on some of this. So if you want to see individual videos or a video of all this stuff being taken out and actually used, like practicing with the splint deal here, somebody
How about
somebody
this?
wearing this. There's two in here.
Wait.
So one person gets to try, and then we will have to mark that down as like theirs or
Okay.
whatever.
I have
Then the
an-
headlamp. What's up? What's your idea, Funky?
So, you guys can go in the comments and type in which one you want to test out the most. Well, not this, obviously. Just which one you guys want to test out the most. The splint, the micro stove, or the Glowco and
The headlamp,
yeah, the head.
pretty much. So this is going to be not really test because it does work
Yeah.
or whatever. So there's different buttons, and then you can do the other
These are
side.
awkward.
Oh, there you go, red.
I don't want to look at that.
There you go. All right. So just like she said, look, I'm going to pick her nose.
Ew. You turd.
Anyway,
No.
so like she said, just go down to the comments below and let us know which one of these. We'll do one or we'll do both. So just let us know if y'all want to see a actual getting used, like boiling water with this, maybe cooking some hot dogs.
Ooh, yes, I love hot dogs.
Oh, I bet you do. Okay. So other than that, make sure you go down there, leave in the comments which one you want us to try out or whatever. We'll do all of it and do a video. But I really don't think that's going to
Work.
well, I think it's going to work. Anyway. So thanks for stopping by. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
This is weird.